Home Sweet Hacks, unveil an organized oasis with simple improvements. Welcome to Home Sweet Hacks, where we turn chaos into order and your living space into an organized oasis. Discover the magic of decluttering. Begin by categorizing items to keep, donate, or toss. It's liberating and space-saving. Next up, embrace vertical storage. Shelves and hanging organizers not only save floor space but also make decor statements. Don't overlook the power of labels. They're your best friends in maintaining an organized home. Everything finds its place effortlessly. Transform furniture into storage wonders. Think beds with drawers and ottomans that open up. They're stylish yet incredibly functional. Lighting can redefine a space. Opt for warm, layered lighting to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere in your newly organized home. Finally, remember that your home is your haven. With these hacks, you're not just organizing, you're enhancing your quality of life.